Hey guys, welcome to Candy's Hair Diary. I am Candace, and if you're new here, welcome. What's up? All that returning subscribers, y'all already know what it is. Okay, so today we're going to do some crochet. So I'm going to try out this new braid pattern that I just literally thought of to see if it works or not, like I think it will in my head, but I don't know. So I braided it a little different, guys, because I want to be able to wear a middle part, deep side part, but I don't want to be able to see every part, if that makes sense. So I started back here with my parts on each side, and I took it around and back, and then I just did two parts or two braids in the middle of each one. So I did the same thing with this, and I took it around and back, two braids in each one, and I did the same thing on my side. So I started back here braiding, taking it around, back, and then two braids on each, and the same thing with this side. The back is pretty much my usual. Well, usually I do a snake. So I kind of did a whole oval, so I'd be able to flip it. And then I'm going to also try the invisible crochet method, since we're doing loose hair and we're using my favorite, which is going to be some free dress crochet. We're doing this soulful. Then we're going to do a soulful joyful curl. I don't know if I'm going to do all color, which you guys know that I typically don't do it in free dress joyful or soulful curl, because it typically tends to frizz more than like say a 1 or 1B or 2 or 4. But I don't know if I'm going to end up mixing some colors just to throw in some highlights, or if I'm just going to do it all. I don't know, I might do it all one color just to see, who knows. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and explain my braid pattern in the beginning, guys, and then I'm going to take smaller pieces of crochet hair and kind of tease it in the front so that you won't see too much, except, you know, where it will be parted or flipped. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. guys, so here is the, what is this, maybe like the second or third day results. I have just pulled it back. As you can see, I put like a little edge control, but it looks a little, it needs to be reapplied because I did not apply it right, or it's not fresh. But yeah, so this is the second, well, third day, because yeah, third day. So this is basically how I've been wearing it. And I can actually, let me show y'all. Like I said, this is my regular, it didn't come out exactly the way I was thinking in my head, but I do like it better than having the regular straight backs. So I will definitely still use this method. And y'all know this hair is fluffy. That's the only thing I be having to have to get used to, big fluffy hair. But I do like the fact that I can do like a middle part, and I was contemplating on cutting it more, like cutting it like a little bit shorter, maybe to like right here. I don't know, but I'm only gonna keep it in. This is just like an in-between style until I figure out what I'm gonna do next. But I'm able to have it like this, so I could do some, I don't have a ponytail holder on me, guys. I could do some half up, half down. I want to wear it like that, or of course, all up, half up, half down, clipped up. And then of course, I can wear all up, like a cute puffy pony. And you can also go back and frizz this out. Whenever you wear it, you can frizz out your edges. I did not frizz it out because I was wearing it in the twist back section, so I didn't bother frizzing that out. So, and then of course, all down. So I'm going to revisit this method with some different type of hair and to see if I like it as much as I think I do. And see how it is then. But I do like the color, and y'all know how I am about color with this hair because it does tend to frizz a little bit more than the natural like 1B or 2 texture. So it's just taking me like a little time to kind of get used to having a little bit frizzier hair. And like I said, I might go in and cut a little bit more. I don't know yet, but yeah, this is all I got. So per usual, guys, I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video. Peace.